Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore how to choose the right sticker paper based on your purpose. This is an essential topic for anyone working in business, DIY projects, or simply loves creating stickers for fun. 1. Why is choosing the right sticker paper important? Not all paper is the same. The right paper helps you save money, increase durability, and create professional quality products. Using the wrong paper can cause issues like smudging, peeling, or fading. 2. Popular types of sticker paper and their pros and cons. A. Standard paper sticker. Pros: cheap, easy to print, widely available. Cons: not waterproof, easy to tear. Best for indoor labeling, office files, dry environments. B. Plastic sticker PVC PP PET. Pros: waterproof, durable, flexible. Cons: more expensive, may require special printers. Best for cosmetics, bottles, outdoor use, laptop decals. C. Transparent sticker paper. Pros: sleek and modern appearance. Cons: harder to print, adhesive may show. Best for windows, premium packaging. D. Craft paper sticker. Pros: vintage, eco-friendly. Cons: limited colors due to brown background. Best for handmade products, organic labels. E. Thermal paper sticker. Pros: no ink required, fast printing. Cons: fades quickly, not heat resistant. Best for shipping labels, temporary use. 3. How to choose the right paper for your needs. Selling products online. Use waterproof plastic or craft paper, office or school use. Standard paper is enough. Cosmetics. Use PP or PET plastic. Decorative stickers. Go for transparent or vinyl. Bulk low-cost printing. Use paper with glossy finish. 4. Sticker printing tips. Choose the right printer, laser or UV, for better quality. Test before mass printing. Store properly. Avoid sunlight and humidity. 5. Final thoughts. Choosing the right sticker paper saves you money and makes your stickers more impressive. Be sure to match your paper to your purpose. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on printing, design, and creative business ideas.